All right, folks, we're going to simplify a trigonometric expression today. We're doing examples, Rajul, problem number 1. And what we see here are some guidelines for dealing with simplifying trigonometric expressions and proving identities. And the first two guidelines say use even and odd and cofunction identities. Write a way to deal with anything inside a trig function. And as we can see, we've got an even function and cosine of negative x here. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to use that even and odd identity to simplify this. Cosine of negative x is cosine of x. So again, we're using that first guideline to simplify this cosine. And now it says after guideline number 1, it says on guideline number 2, when all else fails, change everything into sines and cosines. So let's go ahead and do that. Tangent of x is sine of x over cosine of x. Let's go ahead and change that. That's sine of x over cosine of x. And we've still got that multiplied to cosine of x. Let's go ahead and make that cosine of x over 1, just so that we're really, really clear about what we're doing. And now it looks like we can cancel out those two cosines, and it looks like we're left with sine of x. And that's about as simple as you can get it, so we'll put a little check mark to show that we've got victory there. And so what I'm saying here is that tangent of x times cosine of negative x is equal to sine of x. Let's check to make sure that that's correct on Desmos. So as you can see here, I've got tangent of x times cosine of negative x on the top expression. Then on the bottom of the expression, I've got sine of x. And if these two graphs overlap, then these two functions are exactly the same. And so let's go ahead and take a look at that. And it looks like they do overlap. Again, there's the tangent graph. There's the sine graph on Desmos. That was examples, Rajul, problem number 1.